Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If your Pokemon TCG Pocket app is not working on your device, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, when you are facing this problem, long press on your Pokemon TCG Pocket and go to the information, app info, and then click on the force stop and close the tab. Close all the tab and restart your Pokemon TCG. After doing this step, if it is not working, then next is again long press on the Pokemon TCG and go to the app info. Now click on the storage and cache and clear cache and clear storage. After doing this step, again relogin on your Pokemon TCG Pocket and check the error. If it is persists, then check your internet connection is working properly or not. If it is not, then fix the internet problem and check the error. If your internet is working properly, then last solution is go to the Play Store and search Pokemon TCG Pocket and check the if update is available, then update, otherwise uninstall the app and reinstall. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.